Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the essentials right. Use an iPhone with Face ID and current iOS, good lighting, and a steady grip. Open Messages, start a new message, then tap the app drawer and choose Memoji or Animoji. Select the Memoji you want or quickly create one, customize skin, hair, and expression so it mirrors you. Once ready, face the camera, frame your head within the oval, and press the red record button to capture your first take. Now focus on performance and technical tweaks. Position yourself about an arm's length away so the Memoji tracks eyes and mouth reliably, and avoid strong backlight which confuses the sensors. If audio matters, plug in headphones with a mic and enable Do Not Disturb so pings don't interrupt. Tap the recorded clip to review. You can trim and keep the clearest segment. Once done, try a couple of takes with varied expressions so you have usable finish by exporting and sharing. Send the Memoji directly in Messages or press and hold the clip and choose Save to store it in Photos for further edits. For more polish, import into Clips or iMovie to add music, text, or crop to 16:9. If the Memoji lags or won't track, make sure the True Depth camera is clean, restart the phone, and retry in good lighting. These quick fixes resolve most tracking problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.